Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is 13 years on a plant-based diet, what I ate today. This is just going to be a simple what I eat in a day video. And if you're new to my channel, I've been on a plant-based diet for about 13 years. I enjoy calisthenics training and I also practice intermittent fasting. So I did my workout at around 11 a.m. and had my first meal on this day at around noon. And here's what I had. So I had my first meal on this day at noon. I started with a smoothie. It was 3 soaked dates. It was just dates soaked in some water. I had 2 cups of frozen mangoes. I had a bunch of kale. Just it was like 3 or 4 large kale leaves that I ripped off the leaves. I didn't use the stems. And then I had 5 frozen ripe bananas. And what I do is I freeze my bananas with the peel on and I thaw them in hot water for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then they just come right out of the peel. And I do it that way because I like the consistency better of the smoothie. And it also had 2 cups of coconut water. So this was a good smoothie. I hadn't made one like this in a little while. It was a green smoothie. Go ahead and try this one out. Let me know what you think about it. The next step at 2 p.m., I made some oatmeal. I cooked it on the stove. It had a cup of oatmeal. I put in some soaked chia seeds, a few tablespoons of that. I sliced up a bowl of strawberries, threw that in. I had about a cup of frozen blueberries, threw that in as well. I had some maple syrup and I had some almond milk. So pretty good combination. Hadn't tried this exact combination before. I like to vary it up a little bit with my oatmeal. And there it is. Let me know what you think about that one. Then at 4 p.m. I had a tropical gold can of pineapple. Good alternative if I'm not getting good fresh pineapples. Then at 6 p.m. I had steamed potatoes with some hot sauce, sriracha sauce with carrots, and an avocado on the side. So just a simple dinner. I just threw it in the steamer. And then just after that, I was a little hungry, so I had a slice of whole grain bread with a little peanut butter and a banana sliced on top as well. And then for dessert, about 7 p.m., I had some dark chocolate chips. And that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.